Hello everyone, my name is Simruti and I'm a student of MERI, and here I'm going to give a video presentation on the subject cost accounting. So let's get started. My topic of video presentation is significance of cost accounting and drawbacks of cost accounting, or you can even say limitations of cost accounting. So we'll discuss these topics in details. So let's get started. First we'll discuss what is the meaning of cost accounting. Cost accounting is a business practice in which we record, examine, summarize, and studies the company's costs spent on any process, service, product, or anything else. Because of this, business organization gets improved in cost efficiency. Next, importance of cost accounting first and management. As we know, it is an invaluable aid to the management. So costing checks the recklessness and avoids the occurrence of the mistakes in the organization. The second importance is in employees. Employees, as we know, the most important resources of the company. So costing helps to fix the wages of the labor. They get benefit indirectly through an increase in customers' goods. Third comes the creditors. Investors, banks, and other money lenders have stake in the success of the business concern. Therefore, they can pass their judgment through the profit of the enterprises they submitted by the cost accountants. Fourth importance is the accounting and the investors. Investors can obtain benefit from cost accounting, so they can invest in their companies by gathering information provided by the cost accounting. Next importance is in government. As cost account is one of the prime sources to provide reliable data to the external as well as internal parties, so it helps to government agencies to determine the income tax policies. Second, for the national income also, an efficient cost system brings prosperity to the concerned business of enterprises, resulting in stepping of a government revenue. These were the importance. Now we'll see the drawbacks are the limitations of cost accounting. As we know, cost accounting is a complex stream of accounting. It requires a lot of analysis and calculations to give accurate results. So the main limitations are: cost accounting is not sufficient alone to control or reduce the cost of products. So it is necessary to use the experience and expertise people. So it is a very expensive process. In majorly applicable, it is majorly applicable only to the industries, factories, and manufacturing units where some production takes place. So it cost accounting is very less useful for the service industry is present. So guys, these were the limitations of cost accounting. So this is the end, and thank you so much for seeing my video. And I made this video under the guidance of Ms. Shika Gupta ma'am. Thank you.